Hello and welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Memoree, your personal intelligent knowledge manager. Here I've provided a short demo. Let's dive in. As you can see, I've already run both the macOS app and the iOS app. I've entered a few pieces of data, and as you can observe, the data is synced via iCloud. With Memoree, you can save any type of information, from a simple note text, PDFs, images, or audio recording. Memoree will extract the information from them. For example, in this memo, we see a PDF file attached. Or here, for example, this memo is recorded inside the Memoree, and we can convert it to Markdown format. The iOS app has same functionalities. We can attach different files from Camera, from Gallery, and the File app. Here we have same AI tools. Now, let's add a new memo to the Mac app. For the title, let's write Q2 Sales Meeting and add a description using the voice functionality. This is the Q2 sales meeting with John Smith. I've already recorded our meeting with John. Let's drag and drop it into the Memoree app. As we can see, Memoree will start to transcribe the audio and extract the text. Now, let's ask some questions from the Memoree AI assistant. Let's save it and write our question here. Then Memoree will find the answer in your memos and give you the precise answer. Let's ask, which region experienced a shortfall in sales according to Q2 sales review? Here is the answer, the Northeast region. In iOS, we've integrated Memoree with Siri. You can ask your questions through Siri. When you install Memoree, Siri shortcuts will be installed in the Shortcuts app. Here, we see the Memoree collection. Memoree has two shortcuts, one for adding a new memo by saying, "Hey Siri, new Memoree," and another for asking a question by saying, "Hey Siri, ask Memoree." Let's ask the same question from the Shortcuts app. Let's paste the same question. And as you can see, Siri provides you the answer via the Memoree app. Memoree supports conversation even with Siri. It means it can answer follow-up questions without needing to repeat the questions. Here we just ask, how many percent? And here we go, the answer is 5%. Finally, let us add a new Memoree via Siri. All you need to do is say, "Hey Siri, new Memoree." Then for the first time, iOS will ask you to grant Siri access to Memoree. After that, you can dictate your memo.
Tell me your memo?
I'm writing a new memo for the demo, and it works with Siri.
Your memo has been saved with the title, Memo for Siri Demo.
Let's check if the memo is saved in the app. Here you go. The memo has been added to the Memoree app. Yes, that was all. I hope you like the Memoree app and make use of it. If you liked it, please support us by sharing Memoree with your friends and family. We would love to hear your feedback in the comments below.